Hello, I'm Rick with Midwest Soft Washing and Power Washing, and today we're finishing up on this beautiful house. And I'm going to show you one of the things that we do that I don't think any other company in the St. Charles area does. We do a plant protection, plant wash, and what it does is it feeds the plants, it neutralizes the bleach, and it does a nice protective coating. So if there's anything that bleach might land on the leaf, it won't fry the leaf. So I'll show you a picture of it. See, this is what we do. We use this every time, and I'll kind of show you how this stuff works. Or not, I don't know. Well, I can't get it open with one hand, but it's a granule form. We put it in our saddle tank here. You could say it's purple. And I turn my metering ball valve. Bam. And you can start seeing Doug's switching to his fan tip over there, and he's going to start doing plant wash. We're going to protect all these plants. So right here you can see purple coming through our line here, and he knows when he sees that purple coming through the line that he is on plant wash. And it's really, you can really see how it sticks out, so you know when you have it through your line. And you can start seeing it right here in our hose. Purple coming down all the way down. You see it? So we do this no matter what. We don't charge extra. We do this to protect and feed it, and it's I don't know if you guys ever had True Green come out, and they want to treat your lawn, and they're like, don't let your pets come out for about 35-45 minutes. This is all Good Stewards right here, so you're not going to hurt the pet or anything like that. The pets can go out as soon as we're done washing. They can go out, play, do their thing. We're not hurting anything. We're neutralizing all of it. So that was just a little something extra that we do that no one else does. Thanks, and have a great day.